Creating a good LinkedIn profile is essential for professional networking and showcasing your skills and accomplishments. Here are some tips to help you create an effective LinkedIn profile. Profile picture. Choose a professional, high-quality headshot that represents you well. Dress appropriately, maintain good lighting, and have a pleasant expression. Headline. Craft a concise and attention-grabbing headline that highlights your expertise, industry, and value proposition. Use relevant keywords to optimize your profile's visibility in searches. Summary. Write a compelling summary that provides an overview of your professional background, skills, achievements, and career aspirations. Keep it concise and focused, highlighting your unique strengths and value. Experience. Detail your work experience, starting with your current or most recent position and working backward. Include job titles, company names, employment dates, and a brief description of your responsibilities and accomplishments. Use action verbs and quantify your achievements where possible. Education. List your educational qualifications, including degrees, certifications, and relevant coursework. Mention any academic honors or awards. Skills and endorsements. Include a comprehensive list of skills relevant to your industry. Ask colleagues, managers, and clients to endorse your skills, as these endorsements enhance your credibility. Projects and achievements. Showcase significant projects, initiatives, or achievements that demonstrate your expertise and impact. Provide details on your role, the challenges faced, and the outcomes achieved. Recommendations. Request recommendations from colleagues, managers, or clients who can speak to your professional abilities and character. These testimonials add credibility to your profile. Volunteering and extracurricular activities. Highlight any volunteer work, community involvement, or leadership roles outside of your professional experience. This demonstrates your well-roundedness and commitment. Media and publications. If applicable, include links to articles, blog posts, presentations, or any media that showcase your expertise and thought leadership. This can help establish you as a subject matter expert. Engage and network. Actively engage with your connections by commenting on posts, sharing insightful content, and participating in industry discussions. Networking and building relationships are key to maximizing the potential of LinkedIn. Regular updates. Keep your profile up to date by adding new skills, certifications, accomplishments, or any other relevant information. Regularly review and update your profile to reflect your current professional status. Remember, a good LinkedIn profile is not just a digital resume but an opportunity to create a professional brand and network with industry peers. Keep it professional, authentic, and focused on showcasing your expertise and achievements.